corn hot dog.
Hi YouTube, this is part 4. This is part 4 of our ano nga, what should the title be?
I don't know.
Gas station game. Wait, dude. Boy, may tupik na nga dito nakalabas na. Huh?
What the hell? What's happening?
Gurgle, gurgle. Ay. Bro, why?
Hunter.
It looks like those, you know the Twilight Daycare game? It looks like those baby avatars. If it, you know the hat and the hair.
Yeah, I played that game. Whoa.
Why does it have a motorcycle sound?
It's broken.
I hope she crashes.
Hello?
Ba't wala na? Do you have there? Oh. Yay, shift over.
Oh, okay.
Yay.
Oh,
Did we win? Is
that's it. That's so easy,
Five
bro.
Nights at Freddy's.
Oh, wow.
You survived, but whatever you heard outside, it didn't leave. It's calling you back at midnight.
Click
Oh.
anywhere to continue.
Okay, bro.
That's so easy. What the hell?
Yeah. Okay, bye YouTube. We'll